Namaste. Yoga is the science of consciousness. In India, we have 6 systems of philosophy, and yoga is just one among them. Yoga is not just a philosophy, yoga is a darshana. What is the difference between darshana and philosophy? Philosophy means love for knowledge. Darshana came from the Sanskrit root drishyate anena, which means through which you can see. What you can see? You can see your real nature. Your real nature is consciousness. Just be aware. Yoga is teaching how to be aware of your real nature. In Patanjali Yoga Sutra, the third sutra is very important. The third sutra is Tata Drishtu Swarupe Avasthanam, which means you are established in your real nature, which is consciousness. If you want to be established in your real nature, you have to go through the second sutra of Patanjali, which is Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Once you control all modifications of your mind, when all modifications of your mind is completely ceased, you are established in your real nature. So that is the aim of yoga. In our daily life, we have studied a lot of subjects, but we never studied ourselves. In yoga, we are trying to understand ourselves. The moment you are trying to understand ourselves, we are loving ourselves. So it is already understood. Unless understanding yourself, you cannot understand others. Unless loving yourself, you cannot love others. So yoga is an art actually, to love yourself, to understand yourself. So let us learn the art of loving through yoga.